the bed surface is wide enough to provide a comfortable space for the patients to rest. And the height of the bed can be adjustable also. The patients and nursing staff are free to adjust the height to meet their needs.
The head and footboard is made of imported PP material and they are removable. And there is a patient information slot outside the bed end. Now we will show you how to disassemble.
Install. They are very simple, a little structure. Just unlock that.
Very easy.
Let me turn another side to show you guys. This part. And the PP head and the footboard with the good performance.
The bedboard is made of carbon steel plate and the whole board is thin and formed into multiple holes at one time. Let us show you the bedboard.
This part. As you can see, the neatly arranged holes have a non-slip function and it is good breathability.
Yeah.
Let out our model bag.
For this electric bag, both sides of the bed are equipped with the lifting guardrail to prevent patients from accidentally falling down from the bed.
And our patients sometimes will move from the bed.
Yes.
So our guardrail can prevent patients fall down from the bed. And the material of the guardrail is used aluminum alloy. It is very light and service life is long. The guardrail can be easily filled up and down, which makes it easier for nursing staff to take care of our patients. You just
hold this red part, then you can operate up and down
easily and fast.
Yes, as you can see, there are 4 IV drop stand holes distributed at the 4 corners of the bed frame for convenient use.
Yes.
4 corners.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just like the multifunctional transfer card. And our 3 functions electric hospital beds, it can allow patients to receive injection in various body parts while lying in the bed. Different IV stand can attach different medical pumps, like the infusion pump, the syringe pump, and the feeding pump. And for the stainless steel IV stand, with the ABS fastening system, it can be adjusted the height easily at any time. Let me show you.
Okay, the foot of the bed is made of 5-inch noseless caster with brake, and hospital bed can be more convenient and stable to move and without noise.
Here are
the caster. And our clients will care about the motor. Today we will explain the category. They will ask what is the motor brake or how is the quality.
Luna, would you show the brake function for our friends?
Yes.
Now the bag is locked, and if we step on here, it can be moved easily. This electric bag adopts advanced medical motor system. It can contain 3 Taiwan motors. With these Taiwan motors, during the movable, the noise is very low and it can provide stable movement. The reason why we choose Taiwan's motor is because it has the good stability and also cost effective. Compared with the motors in the Midland, the Taiwan's motor is more advanced with good performance. And compared with the import motors, Taiwan's motors are more economical.
Besides, the one side of the head of the bed is equipped with a controller. Through the controller, 3 functions can be realized. This is the controller.
And now, Luna will show us the functions. The controller equipped with the advanced touch switch. Usually, the service life is traditionally mechanical keys is very limited, and it's easy to make the keys invalid by pressing too much.
However, with this advanced touch switch, not only can control the position is very sensitive and the service line is very long. The back of the bed can adjust it to 80 degrees. Now I will show you too.
Can you tell us what functions you are presenting, Luna?
This is the back lifting function. It can adjust to 80 degree model. Okay. It can meet patients' daily needs. And the knee position can be adjusted to 40 degrees. Now I will show you. The second one is to control its leg position. It is convenient for nursing staff to massage patients' leg and avoid the leg stiffness caused by lying in a long time. And the height of the bed can be adjusted from 50 to 70. Patients and nursing staff are free to adjust the height to meet their needs through the controller.
Now Luna is showing the height functions.
Yes.
It's still turning up.
It is very stable.
We can hear nothing through the Taiwan's motor.
Okay. This is done.
And today, Luna will answer some common questions that our friends will curious about in our daily work. The first one is, can the hospital have the both motor and manual crank, Luna, when the electric motor do not work? Yeah, is it still can use the manual crank?
Yes. We have two function and single function electric hospital bed. Both can have both motor and manual crank in case the emergency situation happen.
If you are in need, please send us inquiry and our professional sales ladies will support you.